Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily stop group members from sending messages on WhatsApp group. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then just get into some group, and now all you have to do is right here at the very top, tap at that group's name to open up group info. Then just scroll down and tap where it says group settings. Keep in mind that you will only see that setting if you are an admin in that group. So just get into it and then tap at send messages. And now you can choose who can send messages to this group. You can select between all participants and only admins. If you want to stop group members from sending messages to that group, select only admins. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my WhatsApp tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.